Yo, what's going on, guys? We got the free midweek review on March 27th. I'm gonna let the inner circle do the reviews on these members. Um, yeah, I'm gonna let them take the stage.
What up, boys? Welcome. I see some new people here, the free members. We're gonna go over everybody's traits. Welcome in. This is our review. Feel free to come in. Feel free to join. And yeah, who wanna come up first for a review of the traits? Alright, let's get boy room in here.
Yo,
Yo, what up, Ruben?
what's good, boys?
Bro.
I um go to first trade I took was at let me see 11:30, 11:31.
11:30, what, long?
Yeah.
Nice low of day, huh?
Yeah, didn't I didn't hold too much, but I held to that high on the left. No, no, a bit higher. All the way to the left. One more. Yeah, right there.
Oh, this was pretty solid
Roman,
trade.
did you use the lifetime sauce?
Yeah.
Solid, man. Good job.
This one. And the second trade I took, I
Hold up.
think you already.
Before we move on,
Yeah.
before we
Go
move
on.
on, can you go ahead and give us your thought process about this trade?
Okay. Um. Well, the lifetime stuff was one of them, and then we also had a fat SMT between yesterday low on
Mm-hmm.
ES and here.
Mm-hmm.
I waited. I waited for. I was looking at NQ and I saw 10 a.m. open. We opened a low and took out a sell side, but then I wanted to wait a bit longer for this, so we kept grinding down slowly. So at this point right there at 11:31, I think it was, yeah. I think we still had a bullish SMT with NQ, whereas ES made a lower low. So the 30-minute new candle and the 50-minute open low
Mm-hmm.
took that low, swooped it with SMT. I took that and then pretty much just held that low where we came back down. We made equal lows.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Um, I didn't move my stop when we moved up, so I was
Yep.
still okay. We had the SMT there where YM took it
Mm-hmm.
and Q didn't, and these equal lows were fine in that case. And then once we started moving higher, that's when I moved my stop to almost break even. Um, and I just took it off at the top. I scaled, yeah, I scaled at those highs, the first highs. I
Mm-hmm.
scaled a little bit and then just left the rest at the top.
No, yeah, this is a good trade here. Yeah, the higher time from SMT, waited for time, and waited
Yeah.
for didn't enter on these, right? Because the what the
No.
lifetime model
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
Nice. And you waited for time right here, right? 11:30.
Mm-hmm.
All
I
right.
entered the next like 30. I think 31 or 32.
Yeah, you
One of
waited
those
for
two.
the signature, right?
Yeah.
1 minute candle
Mm-hmm.
to show you. Yeah,
Yep.
this is a really good entry here. Good explanation too. Catching low of day isn't that easy, bro. But you seem like you made it seem easy right here, huh?
Yeah. And then the second trade I took was exactly at 230.
2:30.
Yeah.
Oh, short, right? Right here.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Right.
Exactly at 2:30. Let me mark up the
Exact
time, and
exactly
then
at
let me show you.
230.
Yeah. So we tell the VIP members about these 30-minute time frame, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. What'd you
Should I
think
go
about this
through?
one? Yeah, you can go through it.
All right. So um 2 p.m. opened up. I had my higher time frame key level marked up. I
Oh, was it
was
OT or was it a order block
it was a few things to be honest.
breaker,
I
unicorn, or what?
unicorn breaker. I was looking at the previous 4 hour. I think I had another key level that I looked at. Let me see. It was on the 9. No, not on the 90-minute. I don't know if there was another one. NOT, I had it marked up, and I was looking at it from the 5-minute chart, and I waited for that last candle to close on the 5-minute. If you go to the 5-minute, um,
Are you waiting for this one to close?
yeah. And
Or
if you mark out the OT, the 0.62, you
yeah, I
can
saw that.
see.
What'd you do from this leg or from
Yeah,
the
yeah,
highest
yeah, yeah.
leg?
From
Leg?
the
Yeah,
highest
62 right
leg.
here. Yeah,
Yeah, 62,
perfect.
it closed
Yep,
perfect. But then I wanted to wait for the 230.
yep,
So I'll tell you why. I had marked the 4 level, the previous 4-hour candle high,
yeah, right here.
and
Hmm.
yeah, and we were in a range. So I wanted that to get taken, and I noticed that YM wanted to take that high that we had there. So if you see
Hmm.
where we took the 4-hour candle high, YM was still a bit behind. So I wanted to wait for another sweep of that high on ES because YM was gonna take out the high.
Yep, right at 230, right? So the second YM takes it is when you're able to take it, right? Take your trade.
Yeah, so as
Yeah,
soon as YM
smart.
took it, we souped that very, very short term high,
Yep.
and I entered straight there because NQ made it wasn't gonna take the high, it was a bit behind. So we had the
Hmm.
little SMT.
Yeah. Now this is another perfect trade, bro. You weren't even if your draws even if your draw is wrong, you can still enter some of these trades and still make some money, right? Waiting for all
Yeah,
the things that you waited for, which is really good patience.
yeah.
Yeah. I mean, these are some good trades, bro. That's exactly what I'll do. It's exactly what I did here. I waited for I noticed the high. I noticed that we didn't puncture it. I saw the same
Mhm.
thing on YM. So of course I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute open high, right?
Yeah.
Into the key level, which was OT 4 hour high, unicorn break or whatever, right?
Yep.
Yep. And this was a good do. Did you get out this low? Right here?
I scaled one at that low,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
and then then I moved my stop a bit low, and I just got stopped.
It's all good, bro.
But I noticed why we
Yeah, you
I
notice
should I,
why?
yeah man
We'll go over it later. Why we kept going higher.
yeah. I was just I was too happy with my feel
Yeah,
over
no,
there.
you're good, bro. Yeah, I think you got the top tick right somewhere way up here in the wick.
Uh, yeah man, I got I think 86.50.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That was a nice feel.
Yeah. But yeah, that's it. Just these two
Yep,
trades, man. I
really
didn't
good
take
trades,
anything
bro.
else.
Yeah, I've been liking how you've been selective with them.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you've been
Good
using the
job,
five
Ruben.
minute, right? 5 minute
Sorry.
a lot. You've been using the 5 minute a lot.
Yeah. I mean, I go down to the 1 minute when I need to, but mainly the higher time frame. I don't really like to stay on the 1 minute, man.
Yeah,
Too
yeah,
much noise.
yeah. Me too.
But I do go down to the 1 minute. Like in this second trade that I
Mhm.
went to, I had to go to the 1 minute. Otherwise, there's no chance of me
Right.
catching that
Yeah.
entry.
Yep. These are
Uh,
solid, bro.
yeah.
Solid, man. Good
Yeah.
job, buddy.
Thank you,
Let's
man.
go.
Thank you.
Anything to ask? Any questions before you go?
I'll ask you later. Not now.
All right,
All
bet.
right, man. I can.
And the next thing. Yeah.
All
All
right,
right,
man.
Ruben.
I'll catch you. See you, man.
See you,
I'll
bro.
catch you, boys. Take care.
See ya. See ya. Let's get the boy Don here.
Big Don.
What up, Don? How are you, man?
Chilling. You guys?
Chilling,
Yeah, we
bro.
good, man. How was your
Good.
day?
It was pretty good. I just got a few questions about Dole. Like, I guess more of like
Go.
internal Dole. So I'll start off with
All right.
my. I took a morning long at 9:36,
Oh,
and
9:30.
yeah, 9:36.
Yeah, this one.
1 second. Let me get the
Yeah,
Yeah, I
date.
yeah.
think I know. Before I
Yeah,
see,
yeah, that.
I think I
Yeah,
know where he
that.
took it. Yeah, that one. Yeah,
Yeah,
I can
exactly
go
right
over it.
there.
Yeah. All right. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And I had
All right.
my Dole was obviously the equal highs up there, and we just never hit.
I got you. I got you. I got you. I've seen that. Yeah, but the drawn liquidity was off. Now, why would that be off? Right. The same
Yeah.
thing. Why we took the show earlier. I want you to go in there, and I told you that you can use all time frames. Right.
Hmm.
Now, 9 a.m. opened high. Right. We
Yep.
had the 70 at the highs. Right.
Yep.
Now look, where was it? I think it was the 2 hour or 3 hour. Yeah, look at the 3 hour, Ronnie. What this on lower time frame? What's this? A suspicious retracement. Look, one, two, three, four, five white candles, right? Into what? Into
Mhm.
OTE, and then SMT
Yeah.
at the highs. I see where your draw was, yeah, right. But
Yeah.
once we start selling off, that was clear. There's some after holding the OTE, all right, SMT at the highs, and then the 9 open high. You can tell that we're going lower, at least to the next OTE or the next discount of the dealing range, right?
Yeah, that makes sense.
So yeah, you need to switch between time frames and see where we are overall. All right.
Yeah.
I see what
And
you had
then
was, but yeah,
and
it
then
was
I had
something.
and then on my second one I took so I actually took an L trying to get back in. Like it's just a stupid L. It was stupid, but I got it probably around like right before open of 10 or around, yeah, I think probably 10 o'clock. I tried a long and got stopped out.
10.
Oh, right around 10.
Yeah, I don't. It was literally right after I got stopped out. I thought it was the damage being done.
Oh, you got in like right at 10:01, somewhere right here. I see.
Yeah, somewhere over there where we kind of started pausing, and I was it was really stupid, honestly. A rush trade shouldn't have taken it. So
Yeah.
I got off there, and
All right.
then
So no.
what
These
else
small
did I do?
trades are the ones who gonna blow your account, right?
Yeah, no, I
So
completely
now,
agree.
all right, replay to 10:01, honey. All right, 10:01. What happened? We ran through the key level, right? The 9:30 key level on the 15 minute, right?
Yeah,
Now we had the SMT at the lows. That's correct. We ran through the key level. What do you think the next target is? The next easy
key
objective
level.
target, right? Always zoom out, see what's the next hourly or the 30 minute, 15 minute, 4 hour
Hmm.
is gonna expand into. The highest probable setup is gonna be the OTE. If you don't have like no clue where the next hourly or the next higher time frame candle is gonna do, wait for the low to be put in, then wait at least for the continuation soup or something like that, right? Once you have no clue, just wait, right?
All right.
Especially if you take a loss right before it,
Yeah,
because these small
and
losses are the one
yeah, no,
who's
yeah,
gonna burn
for
the
sure.
account.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Hey,
So
I'd say something
oh
else
yeah,
real
my
quick
bad.
too. Yeah, like Uzi said, the huge rally overnight, and you're expecting just one little retracement at 9:30 to go higher. Is gonna be a little troubling, you know.
Yeah, you're right.
You want to
And
wait for a nice dip, like he said, either
Mhm.
below a low, a key level, into OTE, and then wait for a smaller range to form, right? And wait for
Yeah.
time instead of waiting to just because this is very like this is deep and premium,
Hmm.
especially with the higher type of SMT at the highs.
Yeah, I also I looked on the daily later and I was like, okay, that makes a lot of sense of what we
Yeah,
did today.
the daily.
So yeah, I had that hindsight. And the last thing I wanted to go over was I took shorts at same thing as Rumen, I think 2:30.
Yeah, 2:30.
Shorted at like 2:32, 2:31. It was one of those.
Yeah, same thing.
And I thought the draw was lower. I was so confident in it that
Yeah.
I didn't even take profit. To be honest, like, I just put my stop to break even, and I
Uh huh.
just let it run. I was trying to let it run, but we clearly never got to it.
Yeah.
All right, we can
I,
go. We can go over it. We're gonna go over my long and then this short right here at why it never ran. All right,
Yeah,
stay in here. All right, Don. Any other
sounds good.
questions before we go?
Nah, that's it. Thank you guys.
I
sure, bro.
got you, man. I'll see
All
you.
right, see ya.
See you,
See you. All right, let's get Jab in here.
boy. Javin.
What up, bro?
Hey, what's up, boys?
What's
What
up,
up?
bro? Ani, this
Um,
is like the most. I would say the only student that listens, bro. Dead ass. The only guy that listens is Javin, bro. I'm proud of
dude,
you, man. How was your trading?
it's because I've gotten burned so many times. I'm starting to learn that, hey, you guys
Yeah.
getting us
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
fast track. So,
Yeah. It's good, bro.
yeah, same as Rumen and Dawn. I took that short at 231.
Yeah. 2:30. Yeah. Everyone took it
Yeah,
short, bro.
and same thing. I was super confident in the draw being lower. And actually, Well, I TP'd at EQ and then I rescaled in when we retraced back up to equilibrium and had that soup and that SMT.
Yeah.
So then I added and I rescaled back out again at that low in the middle of that previous 90-minute cycle. Right there. Yeah, that
this one.
accumulation area. But where I effed up is then when we had that last little pullback, I fibbed out that last little price leg down and I added, which I
On the
shouldn't have, but yeah, I added right there at
on these
equilibrium.
Yeah.
Was it?
Or,
Yeah, but I shouldn't have because we just cleared that low.
oh
So
yeah.
I was just so confident in the draw being lower.
Yeah, you
Um,
really wanted this, right?
yeah. I
Yeah.
just didn't think that like I saw the daily and I saw the 4-hour SMT bullish, but I just didn't think we had enough time in the day to like have it play out today.
Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking at this point too, because I was in these shorts and I was watching this, I was thinking, do you really have enough time to drop all the way down? But you never really know what price is gonna do, right? But
Yeah.
yeah, it was a good job scaling. Or wait, did you took something off, right? Equilibrium?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So I
you know the
took
win rate of equilibrium, right?
oh
Pretty
yeah,
high.
yeah. So I made out pretty good. The only thing I wasn't stoked on was my last ad because we cleared that low. That
Yeah,
was the
just
only
add.
thing I kind of lost a little bit of profits on.
Yeah, trying to add after this low's being swept, right? Or this low,
Yep,
yeah.
or the one to the left of it even.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Yeah, when we yeah.
Yeah, I see this. Yeah,
Um
these weren't bad trades, and you know what you did wrong with this low. Yeah, this is a good entry right here at 230.
yeah. Yeah, I guess just I'm having trouble still when like the 15-minute structure looks bearish, but we still have like a high time frame bullish narrative, like when that like bullish high time frame SMT is gonna activate.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we'll
So
talk about
something I'm
that.
working on.
Yeah, we got you, bro.
Then I also took what was it 102 short.
This one.
So my thought process on
Yeah,
that was
also took
we
this
had
short.
a what was that?
I also took this short.
Oh, nice. Yeah, we had that little internal SMT, and it looks like we kind of ran up on the previous 30-minute, and then I fibbed out that big price leg down. I used the equilibrium, but I fibbed it from the 5-minute order block, and
Okay.
it tapped equilibrium there. So I was confident in at least it running the equilibrium of that previous leg, which
Yeah,
I hit, but then my runners didn't hit.
that's all good. As long as you're noticing equilibrium and taking it off here, right?
Hmm.
These are both good entries, good timing that you waited for, right? What'd you wait for on this one? On this 1 o'clock, what'd you wait for?
What I wait for, I had a suspicion that it was gonna retrace right there because I was looking at that equilibrium level and we were going into a new 90-minute cycle. But seeing the Mohawks on the 1 minute, the
Yeah.
rejection.
Yeah, this is something I wait for too. I wait for the little 1 minute accumulation, right? Then a manipulation higher at the hourly open high, right?
Mhm.
SMT sweep, and you can always take partial of the equilibrium like you did. This is good timing here. I liked it, Jevin.
Cool, man.
Yep. Seems like you only went for shorts today, huh?
Yeah, I was bearish.
Yeah, that's good.
But yeah, I've just been really kind of zooming out and waiting for price to fall into premium or discount depending on what I'm looking for.
Hmm.
But and then also trading in line with like my overall higher time frame bias has been super helpful because when there's no like short setups, I can just walk away and take a little mental break from the charts.
Yeah, instead of trying to flip it, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, so
That's what most people do. I'm glad you're not doing it.
sweet. Oh, I noticed too on that my trade at what was it? 102, we bounced perfectly off that DRB on the 15-minute. So I was like, oh,
Yeah,
that's
yeah, we saw that.
makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah.
So cool, man. Well, thank you guys. Just soaking it in.
Yes, sir.
Good job, man.
Thanks, Susie.
I got you, man. All right, let's get Landon here. What up, bro?
Boys, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you, man. How are you?
Landon?
Man, I am good. How are
Big
you guys?
Landon. Good,
We
bro.
good, man.
So I'm up for the day. I'm 700 positive, but I'm not exactly happy with the way I performed today.
All good.
Mm-hmm. I like that,
So,
man. I like that. The honesty. Yeah, what's up? What happened?
so 7 a.m. I love 7 a.m. It just seems like we're always getting a reversal at 7 a.m. Um, so I like to get up a little earlier now and just watch and wait to see if we get a nice looking SMT at the top. And I took it at 7 a.m. Held it until low hanging fruit on ES,
Mhm.
and then
Short.
You get 7 o'clock. 7
yeah,
o'clock.
7 o'clock. Yeah,
All
Pretty
right. All
short.
right.
yep, short. Took out at around 8:30, something like that.
Yep. When you take this low here,
Yeah,
this low hanging fruit. Yep.
yeah. And then so that was my big trade for the day, and that was I had a good bit of cons in there. I was using one of my $4.50.
That counts.
Yeah. So I was like, you know what? Like this always looks good to me. It seems like we always have somewhat of a. I mean, I don't really know what a protected high is, but it seems like that's usually the high until market on close. So if we're going upwards through the Asian and the London session, so I waited for that. I seen the obviously the 4 hour creating a top wick and then the reversal. So I held that and I got like a nice, I don't know, it was like $800-900 win.
Mhm.
And I told myself I wasn't going to take any more big positions. I switched over to a different account, was just risking one con. And my next position came in around 855.
What'd you do?
I
Short or long?
Yeah, it was short. I seen I had a bunch of confirmation in the moment. I could probably find it if I looked hard enough, but I knew that I thought the draw was lower for the day.
Mhm.
And seeing SMT, lower time frame SMT on YM, and I thought that there was more room to the downside, but I was incorrect. So got stopped out on
What
that. It was
time? Nah. We don't skip those, bro. What time was that?
8:55.
Let me go over it real quick. Let me see what you had. Where was it? What the fuck? Oh yeah, it was right here.
855 right here.
All right, 8:55. Yeah, bro. I think we should do another presentation on the drawn liquidity. What you guys think?
Yeah, we will.
Yeah.
That was my
All
little
right.
bit of. I didn't exactly know. I wasn't sure why it didn't play out. That was one I was a little bit confused about. Maybe we can talk more about it in the
On the
VIP.
VIP, yeah. Yeah, all right. We're gonna do right after we finish this, we're gonna go over the like a private VIP review
Hey,
since we're with
Landon.
the free members right now.
Hey, Landon. For this first trade, what did you wait for? Did you wait for 7 o'clock?
Yeah, waited for 7 o'clock.
Good.
Waited for SPP at the highs, and
Yep.
then
And then entered late, a little late.
yeah, entered a little late.
That's good. I like that all you
Yeah.
guys are waiting for the hourly opens. The only
Good
thing,
job,
yeah,
man.
yep.
Was that it,
And then,
Landon? Any other questions, bro?
we got one more. I'll just go over real quick. I
All
had
right.
Well,
actually I got maybe two, but at 10 I wanted to long really bad, but I should have been like
Yeah.
obviously there was no accumulation. I should have
Yep.
waited for accumulation. There was no reason for me to long. The market doesn't just move in straight lines. I was stupid.
Yep.
But
drawn liquidity once again, yeah.
yeah, terrible. And then I waited for the accumulation. I was actually, I don't know if you guys know what an estate sale is, but I was just out at an estate sale with my girlfriend, and we was chilling. I seen SMT at a very obvious SMT to me at 10:39. Price came up. It was breaking the highs on NQ and ES. It wasn't breaking the highs on YM. We also had a smaller SMT in play, and I shorted until price came down and swept liquidity on the opposite side. It was just just a quick short. It was like $200 one con, and then I was done. I was off. No more
Yeah,
trades.
see, quick
Oh yeah, I
scalps
see
like
that.
this. Yeah, quick scalp like this with the institutional overflow is good, right? But I told you, whenever we form a range low, range high inside the higher time frame candle, what do? You wait. You don't care about SMTs. You wait for one of them to get taken, right? Now I wish you were with the lifetime presentation to understand why we arrange like this. But overall, I like your view, bro. And if you want to long after a huge drop like this, I want you to notice what we have on the left. Yeah, lows and highs, but the higher time frame key level. Now I want you guys to notice what was the key level that actually stopped us after this big drop right here.
4 hour
It was a
fair value
specific.
gap.
Nah. It was a specific key level. I mean, the lows, right? The lows, 100%. Every single move starts and ends with a turtle soup, right? But there was a specific key level that I was watching from the beginning after this whole model played out, the lifetime model. But yeah, I want you to look for that, and once you find it, I want you to text me, all right? And don't forget to check all time frames, all right? It might be boring, but you need to do it, all right?
Yeah, absolutely. After you talked about looking at the freaking 10-minute time, or you said the 12-minute time frame, bro. I've been on every single time frame. You can find it.
100%, man, 100%.
Yeah.
Take advantage of
Yeah,
every
think
single time
logically
frame, bro.
though when you're doing it. Think logically, like you know what I'm saying?
Yep, absolutely.
Premium
But yeah,
discounts,
that's
bro.
it. That's it. I don't want to take up any more time. I was just coming on,
Good, bro.
get a little information. Maybe we can talk more about it on
Nah,
the after.
he
All
good,
right.
man. He good.
You good, bro.
All right, man. I'll see you.
Yes, sir. See you, boys.
See you.
See ya, man. Let me go over. Where is he? Frank. I have a question about when the indices are decoupled at 9:30, like today. YM was ranging higher and
I
NQ
like
was
this
diving
question.
lower. ICT said it lower probable interest. Well, you guys thought that. All right, Frank. I want you to notice when, statistically, we're gonna consolidate not 70, 80% of the time. The market is going to consolidate. So you're going to spend the majority of your time waiting for the setup, right? Now, when can you expect a consolidation, right? After an extension like that, or where we were, right? Whenever we have an SMT, both sides, first thing, and whenever we're dancing between two key levels, this is the this is why the market ranges a lot, right? Whenever we dance between two key levels, whenever we have both sides SMTs, and this is a perfect example. Like the whole AM was between two SMTs, right? Whenever you see that, and then you see at and this is not correlated. One is taking highs, one taking lows. Wait for it to clear, and then look for your setup. No rush. You have 8 hours, bro, of trading, right? Anything to add, Oni?
Oh yeah, he was just asking about the what to do, right? What to look for when they're both moving in different directions. Why is range higher? Well, we could go over the like fueling and stuff. Would you do that or not, Uzi?
Go about what?
About
Fueling?
fueling? Yeah, when they fuel each other and they help each other move, or is that for
Oh
VIPs?
yeah, yeah. Now we could, I think we'll go over that. Yeah, for them. Now it's pretty simple. Whenever we have whenever the draw is higher, and then you see NQES moving higher, and then YM breaking lows and SMT, the lows, that's pretty much like a fuel for ES and NQ to go even higher, right? Which is a retracement on ES and NQ, but on YM it's just a turtle soup, right? Vice versa. So it's either the highs or the lows. Whenever you see SMT in your favor, whenever YM is breaking lows and ES and NQ are just retracing, this is just a fuel for the indices to go even higher, and vice versa, of course.
Yeah, this is a concept I'll look at, guys. If your bias is correct, you're gonna notice one indice, usually YM, sometimes NQ, or even ES, is gonna keep running higher to fuel the draw lower, while the other ones is gonna bring us lower, right? If you, it's important to notice the trends that they're moving. If highs are being broken, lows are being broken, things like that. Okay, yeah, we use it as fueling, and it can go the other way as well. All right, we're gonna get someone else.
Yeah, I want to see some free people. All right, let's get Sam. I want to see some free members here. Don't be shy, boys. Get in here. Let's see your trades. All right, let's get. Where is it, Sam? Right, Sam. Can you request again? Sam and then Mike. There you go. You need to accept it, Sam. The request. All right, there you go. What's up, bro? Can you hear us? You're muted, man.
Hey guys, what's
What up,
up?
Sam?
Okay,
What's up, bro?
what's up, guys?
What up, bro?
How are you doing? How was your trading,
I'm
bro?
doing all right. It was okay. The first trade I took was like really bad. I went long on NQ at 933.
All right, 933. Damn, MQ was dumping at the time, no?
Yeah,
You know what we tell you, bro. You know what we already tell you about these, man. It's all good though. Yeah, you
yeah. I
you
think
thought the same thing, right? It was gonna sweep this.
yeah. One of the things exactly. Yeah, and one of the things I was going to ask you guys is like the last few days we've had a dump on NQ like that, and it's like ended up going back up. So I think that was in my head. And so I just like went by that. I think more than actually reading the chart. So I don't know if you had any like tips on how to fight that like recency bias where you're, just like yesterday has an effect
Yeah,
on what you do the next day.
yeah. I also thought today was gonna be like yesterday, right? But
Mm-hmm.
after you take this loss right here, you're gonna want to reevaluate the draw on liquidity, right? Or what's gonna happen next. Also,
Absolutely.
every day is not gonna be exactly the same. Sure, we'll see some parts of the day will act the same, and your model can work out, but they're never gonna be the exact the same, you know. I
Okay.
think we talked to who did we talk to about this? Don. He was trying to take a long just like this, deep in premium of this whole range here, right? After we rallied overnight, you're still not in discount yet. You're not even like you know what I'm saying? Like you're still
Mm-hmm.
not low enough. Did you use a key level for this, or was it just the SMT low?
Yeah, just the SMT low.
Yeah, you're gonna want to look for a key level. Usually a order block, 15-minute hourly, maybe an FEG, 4 hour, 1 hour, right?
Nah, mainly
Okay.
drawn liquidity right there, I would say.
Yeah, the doll was also
Yeah. Yeah, we
was
can go over one more presentation on the doll, yeah.
yeah. But what were you looking for as well? Did you wait for time here? Did you wait for 9:30 or did you wait till after 9:30?
It was after 9:30. I mean, it was after I was on a 3 minute, so it was the 3 minute candle pretty much.
Yeah,
9:33.
yeah, that comes down. Yeah, right here.
Mm,
Yeah, and we also tell you you don't have to catch this low right here. If you're gonna be a range, you can be a range super, right? So you use ranges, and that's where you're gonna
okay.
or continuation super, right? Which everyone took longs around here, but because there's a consolidation here. You don't have to catch this low, the bottom. You don't have to catch this because
Okay.
if you try to do that, you're gonna get mad, or you're gonna try to catch it again and again, right? Sometimes they
Mm-hmm.
work out, but they don't always work out, right? You can catch soups like this. Wait for these kind of soups continuation.
Okay.
These should be your ones you look for. You don't have to catch this drop and catch, especially if you notice this big run up, right, Sam?
All right.
But yeah, we got y'all with doll though. Okay.
Okay.
Did you take any other trades? Did you
Yeah, I
manage to
took
catch this?
I took one at 9. It was like 950, 951
51
short. Yeah, I
short.
knew because at
Okay, right
that
here.
point like I was pretty confident the draw was at least the previous day's low.
Yeah, you flipped it. Okay, I see.
Mm-hmm.
Right there.
Which I was definitely like revenge trading a little bit here. I mean, but I was also pretty confident like that it was going down. So probably still not the best idea to just go back in quickly, but
Yeah. No, yeah, I'd say this is a riskier trade now. After you took the loss, then now you're reversing without, because
Mhm.
this is a low probable. Like you don't know that these gaps aren't going to be filled back in, right? Because usually anything can happen, OT, and then a drop can happen, right? And then say you
Yeah,
lost here, then you might try to re-enter here. You lost there, you might try to re-enter there, and you know how it could be, like how it can continue, right? Like the effect of
exactly.
losing.
Yeah.
I mean, you won it though, right? But it's less probable.
Yeah.
Okay, is it really your setup that you want to trade? Like your favorite setup? Sam?
No, you're right. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not. It's
Just
not.
because you see the opportunity, is it the best? Is it like, your opportunity that you've been studying, you back tested, that we talk about all the time.
Hmm.
So you really gotta think about that before you're taking your entry. But yeah, did you get
Okay.
out? Because it seems like you did win it though.
Yeah, no, I took it almost the. I mean, I took some of the micros to the bottom pretty much and got out. I mean, I took profit all the way down, so it was good.
Yeah.
Um, and then I also took that 14 to 230 trade,
Oh,
which
on the
other
short.
people took too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was. And I also I felt the same way. Like I thought it was going to keep going lower, so I sold. I did. It was on an eval, so I was on 3 contracts, and I sold 2 of them before the bottom. But then the last one I came back and got me at break even because I thought we were going I thought we were going to take all the lows there.
Mhm. No, yeah. This would be a reasonable place right here to continue lower. For these lows. But I'm glad you took off at these lows, right? When there's SMT, I'm sure.
Mm,
Yeah. After
yeah,
NQ takes the low. Yeah. Yeah. Did you wait for time on this one as well? 230.
I did. Yeah, I mean, honestly, this is one of the first, one of the trades that I felt like everything that you guys are teaching really lined up for me. And I saw it was like when I saw 1430 or 230, I was like, oh, this is perfect, and
Yeah, and the
it felt
rally
really
up.
good to like.
Yeah, S and soup. Yep. And you can tell waiting for time, right? Waiting for 230 to open up, right? And the whole setup to present itself before it even happened. Like, because you could have entered here, right? Like, you could have entered before,
Mhm.
but you didn't, right? Could have entered here. But we don't do that anymore, right? Yeah, that was
Right.
a good trade right here. 230. Pretty decent right there. You got anything to add, Uzi?
Nah, man, I'm really liking that. The extremes, lows and highs, nothing
Yep.
in between, right, Sam? Range
Right.
low, range high, you take the extremes, right? Into key levels, you write that shit down with the institutional order flow. Even if you're wrong, you're still gonna make money, right, man? Good job.
Yes, sir.
Solid, man.
Sir.
Nothing to add, bro. Good job.
Sir.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Sir.
I
See you,
got you,
Sam.
man. See ya, bro.
Yep.
Yep.
See ya.
All right, let's get Mike here.
That boy Mike.
Yes, sir.
Hey guys,
Oh,
what's up?
Mike.
What's
What's
up,
up, bro?
boys?
What up, bro?
Um,
You traded in Q?
yes.
It's all
Can
good.
I share my screen?
Is it clear? I
Yeah.
mean, what do you think, Zeph?
Nah,
No?
Nah,
Or
I think Zeph.
oh
No, no,
no,
no,
no.
no. Zeph
nah,
is recording.
nah,
Zeph is recording.
nah,
Nah, nah, nah, nah.
Okay, okay,
Nah,
okay,
we'll
okay.
just run it
Don't.
here.
All right, let me just go over my chart then.
That no is so dry, Zeffy. Holy.
Uh, I kind of overtraded today. Not gonna lie. I
Okay.
did end up winning, but I was not happy with my first 2 trades. I took my first calls is because it was, I think the reason I took calls at 9:57 is I was so FOMO because of the drop.
Uh-huh.
And for some reason, I just tabbed fucking calls on the 1 minute as soon as that 9:57 candle, you
Shorts?
know, calls,
Yeah, what is
because we
that?
had a fat SMT at that point, right? I
Yeah, it's a
lost
block.
about 10 points there. Yes.
Yeah.
And then I took another stab just beside the next candle here. It was 10 o'clock candle. 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
10
Yes, I
what?
stabbed that
Trying to
again.
catch the bottom, bro. Trying to catch the knife,
Yes.
right?
Yes. That's kind of like what ticked me off because I know I'm not supposed to do that, but I still did it anyway. And I actually told myself, you know what, I'm gonna stop trading for a while. I'm gonna wait for the setup that I really want to happen. And what I did was I just went to the 5 minute, and my first trade came from 11:30
Yeah, same as me. Yeah.
on the 5 minute,
Yeah, 5 minutes. Yeah.
and then I took off full as we broke the highs.
All right. Which highs? The 1019 highs?
Uh, the 1040 highs.
1040 high? Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
This is more valid here.
Yes. I would say my fill for this one was around 393.75, 393, right around there of the RB.
Yeah, I see it.
But after that, because I was running two cons all day, I was like up 1200, and I waited a little bit more, but the when I was looking at the chart, I saw that I looked at it late, but I saw a weekly IRB, so that kind of like flipped me. I was like thinking, that my draw is upside, and regardless, even if we don't make like a whole ass high, we have not really hit EQ of the range yet. So I
Mm-hmm.
took one more call trade, which was around um 1405 is where I entered. We had a YM SMT there, and yes, I took it at full at the top there,
Okay. Let's see.
Blue.
and that's pretty much it. That's I had four trades. I was not too happy with the two trades I did because they were kind of rushed, and
Oh my
I've done that
god.
before. The falling dagger entry.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, you can. Yeah, this can be dangerous, bro. Those two trades. At least you know what you did wrong, though, right? Trying to catch the knife,
yeah,
and you can tell your both
Nah,
your
nah.
arranging trades here
Hold on, one sec, bro.
worked out
One
like
sec,
that.
one sec. Are you done?
Yeah, go ahead.
Nah, bro. Nah, hold on, hold on, hold on. This is wild, bro. Just to clear, the guy you guys talking about stole our concepts. Wherever you guys came from. Nah, bro. This is wild, bro.
what happened?
This is wild. Sorry, Mike. Sorry. Nah, I'm not
You're
gonna
good.
shut
You're
up
good.
just like that, bro. Holy.
Oh, this Brian guy is talking about DJ.
Whatever, man. The guy you guys talking
Um,
about came here. All right. He was a member. He learned everything from here, from Ziffy, and he left. He promised to not shout the concepts, and he presented to you guys on that other server. We just don't share it because we don't care. We just focus on our members, right? I really don't care if he's sharing that. If he shared that and give us credit, it's fine. But now that just so you guys, I won't break this up. This subject I don't give a fuck about, right? But just so you guys know, you guys mentors, and I'm pretty sure where you guys came from, you've never seen your mentor trading turtle soup, right? Until lately, he's been drawing turtle soups and stuff, SMTs. Yeah, I don't want to talk about this, but this is the truth. And we have proofs. We just don't care. We just don't give a fuck. We just focus on our members. But yeah, sorry, Mike.
It's
no,
all
you're
good.
good, bro.
It's all
You
good.
can you
I
can you can go ahead.
understand. I understand. I totally do. So yeah, that after that trade, I pretty much called it a day, and because it was a really bad start for me, and I didn't really want to push it.
Oh yeah, I'd say that yeah, at least you know why these two bad trades didn't work out, right? Because it's falling, and then you can
Yeah.
tell the ranging when we actually have a low, and then we take continuation soup,
Mhm.
right? It'd be better. Now, still, even though this soup worked out, you know what kind of that work the best, though, right, Mike?
Mhm.
Well, these kind of soups when there's damage done, right? Like we always say,
Mm.
there's a reason that we took off
Yeah.
here and didn't take
Uh
off
huh.
here, right?
Yeah, I agree. I
Yeah,
actually
for those
saw
part
that,
of this
but
one.
I told
Yeah,
myself, no more. Like I'm not. I'm just gonna call it a day from here.
no, it's all good. Yeah, that's a good other good discipline. All right. Yeah, these are two. This first trade is pretty good. I like this first one. I still would like
What's
damage done,
uh
but
huh?
I used the RBSMT though, so I like that.
You don't like the what you said?
The damage not being done, like the actual soup,
Oh,
you know, like an
yeah,
actual
yeah,
soup
yeah,
of
yeah,
a
yeah, yeah.
actual sweep to go higher.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, these still work out though, right?
Yeah. So the second one was a little bit dangerous, right?
Yeah, this one, yeah, it's more risky because you're still kind of in premium after accumulation right here.
Oh, that
But
makes sense. Yeah,
accumulating here, this could have easily swept one more time
and
downward
then go higher.
and
Yeah,
then
you're
leave
right.
you in the dust, right?
Play with this
Yeah,
extremes, Mike. Right?
Could have
yeah, yeah,
easily,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, yeah,
Because
Yeah.
if you zoom
Actually,
in,
I. Uh huh.
no, no. If you zoom in, this is just a lower time frame range, right? And you're taking an internal range, right?
Mm-mm.
You play with extremes,
Yeah.
lows and highs of the range, right?
Mm-hmm.
hmm
Yeah, I actually do not notice that even that second trade was not even in discount. You're right about that one.
yeah, yep,
Okay, yeah. I'll have to keep that in mind next time.
yeah. Just note it down, like note it down. Hey, maybe this low right here can
Mm-hmm.
take off after better. He can take off. And you know
But
how
the
much I
first one
mean?
was okay, right?
Yeah, this first one, yeah, it was pretty good, pretty good.
Yeah, I
I mean,
TP'd at
it's
the
only
top because I
because
didn't really expect it to just run all the way to the
I think,
top.
yeah, the only reason was because you could see how we made three higher lows here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Higher low, higher low, higher low, and ES made three lower lows, lower low, lower low, lower low, and then
Mm-hmm.
your actual took off. I think that's the main reason it worked out. But if not, I believe NQ might have swept it one more time. Just this low. Just this low though. Right here.
Mm.
As the actual soup, you know? But the RV
Yeah,
didn't
yeah,
work
yeah,
out for you. Okay?
yeah.
Just study those. Study which ones
Mm-hmm.
work and which ones won't work. And then what
Yeah.
times did they work?
All
Yeah,
right.
other than that, bro, those aren't bad, bro. It still worked out today. Oh, we always learn something.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I think for me, for some reason, I just have a harder time being on the 1 minute.
Yeah,
Like
no, you don't have to be on
every
the one.
time I'm on the one, I start losing. But if I'm on the five, I think I can do better than I
Oh
do on the
yeah, you
one.
can do on the 5, 15. Have your setups ready before you at least an hour or maybe plan your setups. You know,
Yeah,
where do you want to
yeah.
do it? Where do you want to enter? What time you want to enter?
Mm-hmm.
Then with that, you're gonna have a lot more success.
I got it. Got it. Yeah.
All right, Mike.
Thank you, boys.
Yes, sir.
I
See you,
got
bro.
you, man. Was that it?
Yep.
All right, man. We'll see you.
Yep.
See you. Thank you.
See you, bro.
See you. Sam, can you go down?
Yeah, I didn't notice.
I'm afraid to kick him. Oh, there you go. All right. Was that it?
Yeah, we had some good amount of new guys in here, huh?
Yeah. Let's see. Let's see some free members here. Even if it's some questions. Let me see some new members here. Potential trades, anything. Yeah, y'all are welcomed here. Yeah, man. Frank, you can present them, man. All good. Just request. We should get you in here. All right, let's get Frank here.
What's
What up,
up?
bro? How are
Yo,
you?
What up,
I'm
Frank?
good. I'm good.
How was the trading, bro? You didn't trade?
Nothing today, man. Um, practicing patience.
Yeah.
Didn't see anything that I liked, but
All right. Let's see your Tuesday for trade.
yeah, I've shared it. You can see it.
All right, let's take a look at it. Do you trade soups?
Yep, yep. I've watched you guys recently and go through the free content or free education, and yeah, I've been enjoying it, man.
Yes, sir.
Can you
All
reply
right,
to
let's
it
see
or?
that.
Yeah, I gotta go to the.
Yep.
What time was it?
Hold up. 10:31.
31.
Oh, this is
Oh,
what is
the
this?
short.
Oh, long. Yeah,
Oh, the
long.
long.
Yeah,
Yeah,
long,
the
long.
retracement.
Long
Yes,
NQ.
rank you.
Thank you.
10:30.
All right, let's.
Yep.
Pretty sure a lot of VIPs took that. All right, can you reduce the sound? I can hear myself.
Okay.
All right,
Long right
let me
here.
speak.
Oh,
Test,
yeah, I
test.
see this.
All right, this is way better. All right, now I still can hear myself. All right, let me test. All right, I think this is better. Yeah, this is better. All right.
He took it long.
What time was it? Oh,
10:31. A little
all right.
after he took it long. About
All
right.
right, let me go over it. Now I want you to think. All right, Frank, why the longs were temporary and why the shorts were better. All right. Now after that big drop, I get the SMT soup that we had right into a key level and stuff. But why would short be temporary, in your opinion, Frank? Oh, now we can't hear him at all. You hear me?
Yo. I'm
All
here.
right.
So what did you
all right.
say? Why shorts were why longs were temporary?
Yeah, why that ugly delivery, and why longs were temporary there?
High
The
type
setup was decent.
institutional order flow was bearish.
Yeah, this is one, right? Drawn liquidity lower, right?
Yeah.
Now, once we have that big drop, let me zoom out here. I wish I could live stream. All good. All right. Once we have that big drop, right? Look at the highs. Whenever we hold the OTE and then we distribute like that, and then we have the 10 a.m. opens high into a key level, and then a big drop. You know that longs is just gonna be temporary, right? And if your longs work, it's just gonna be a retracement once again into the discount or OTE of the range, right? So this is just basic OTE discount stuff, right? Once the once the key level at the 10 a.m. open high holds, and then we distribute, you can expect a 4-hour distribution candle. All right. So now every single turtle soup to go long is gonna get smacked back down. All right. It's just a retracement to go lower. Now you see how we tap the OTE one more time on the 15 or on the 30 or whatever, and then we go even lower, right? Even the delivery for longs was ugly, like a slow ass grind up and then retracement, grind up, retracement. And the draw on liquidity was clearly the equal lows, the relative equal lows, right? Can you see it? The midnight low and then the 1600 low. That was a clear draw. This is why, I mean, we had an SMT soup, right? Inside macro, we tap a key level. It was solid, but every single long will get smacked back down. All right. I need you to realize where we're going in the higher time frame, right? Try to pick the best possible setup. But yeah, anything to add, Ani?
No, I'd say yeah, the same thing that Uzi was talking about. How this first leg up at 10 a.m. opened high into OT of this range here, and you can see that we're breaking lows, right? When I see this low being made here, I know it's a teaser for what's coming next. It's for my OT entry to see lower because right, the profile would be we're breaking lows, rejecting highs. You can see this 1 minute we're rejecting highs over and over again. I can see a clear target on the lows on a higher time frame. Oh, I didn't trade in Q yesterday, but yeah, breaking lows, rejecting highs. After I see this big suspicious dump, I know I'm gonna get a retracement at 9:30. Tracement, perfect OT, then delivery, 4-hour open high. Now I'd say you caught a good time to go long though, which is like a good time at 10:30 to go long, but it was just temporary to equilibrium, and then another OT soup. But that's all I'd say. It was a nice setup, but if you did take it towards IOF, you would have got a lot more big play, right, Frank?
Thank you.
Yeah, I hope that makes sense. Any other questions, bro?
Mm, Nope, that's it.
All right, man. Thank you for
Thank
coming
you.
in. I guess I
Yeah,
see you,
thank you.
man.
Yeah,
See ya.
yeah. It was just a little market profiling right there.
Yeah.
All right. I think
What
that'll
you
be the
got?
last one, yeah?
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
we're done.
All right. If you guys like this free midweek review, we do offer this in our VIP every day. Okay? And we also have presentations in the weekends. So, yeah. And if you want lifetime, you do get one-on-ones with all the inner circles for an hour weekly. So, just little plug there for the Discord. But yeah, we're gonna end it here. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for being here. We're gonna do the breakdowns for the VIPs in the VIP channel. All right, guys.
Yeah. We'll see you guys. Take
Have,
care.
have a good one.
All right, see y'all, bro.
See ya.